Now we will learn to divide a decimal numbers. Where do we need to divide a decimal number? Say we have a long strip of colored paper. It is of say 17.5 centimeter. Okay, and you want to decorate your classroom where you need this 2 point small strip of 2.5 centimeter. So from this strips, how many strips you will get? So what you have to do? You have to divide 17.5 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter. So where here this division comes. Okay. Now question is, how we divide a decimal number? Okay. First you have to remember, or you have to follow some steps. First is, write the decimal number in fractional form. That number, the decimal number, you have to write in fractional form. Say this 17.5 divided by 2.5. So how to write a decimal into a fractional form? So 17.5, this you will write this without decimal. You will write that number on its numerator. Okay, you will write this number without decimal in numerator, and in denominator you will write first 1. Okay, and number of zeros, as many digits are after decimal. Okay, or right to the decimal. So how many digits are there? 1. So you will write 10 here. So if when I convert 17.5 into fractional form, what you will do? You will write this number without decimal, that is 175. In denominator you will write 1, and number of zeros, as many places or digits after decimal. So here it is 1, so you write 10. Next, this 2.5 you have to convert it in fractional form. So first what you have to write? In numerator you have to write this number without decimal, so 25, and 1, how many digits? 1 digit after decimal, so it is 10. Okay, so what it becomes? 175 10 divided by 25 by 10. Okay, now next it has same like division of a fraction number. So what you have to do? Multiply with reciprocal of the divisor. This is its divisor, so multiply this with reciprocal of the divisor. So dividend will remain same, then multiply, then divide, reciprocal of this divisor will be 10 by 25. Okay, so if I rearrange somewhere like 175 by 25, 10 divided by 10 is 1, into 175 by 25, it is 7. So your answer is 7. You can see it's very easy to divide. Now if the question is, when a decimal number is divided by multiple of 10, multiples of 10 means 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, like that, the result is the same as the number itself, but the decimal point in the quotient shift the left by as many places as there are zeros over 1. So if we are dividing a decimal number by multiple of 10, what you have to do? Only the dividend will remain the same, only you have to shift the decimal points towards left. So I have to divide, say for an example, I have to divide 7.25 divided by 100. Okay, so what I have told you, I have told you this will remain same. Okay, and this decimal will shift towards left. So how many zeros? 2 zeros. So decimal will shift towards left. How many place? 2 place. Now this is 1 place. This is 7. Okay, and another place. What will be right then? What will be there in between? That is, your decimal will come here. So it will be 0. Okay, so your answer will be. So you can see it's very easy. Say 7.25 divided by 10. So how many place that decimal will shift? 1 0 1 place. So your decimal will come here. Okay, so your answer will be, when I divide 7.25 divided by 1000. Okay, so how many place that decimal will shift towards left? 3 place. So 1 2 3. Here this will okay. This is very easy way to divide a number by multiple of 10. Thank you.